In this video, we will work on the next SAT problem about the inheritance from an estate. The question reads, a man has an estate worth $15 million that he will either divide equally among his 10 children or his 10 children and 5 stepchildren. How much more will each of his children inherit if his 5 stepchildren are included? Now, the first step is to determine the amount of money in the estate. So if I look back at the question, the estate is worth $15 million. So we know the value of the estate is 15 million. Now if I want to write 15 million as a number, it's 15 and then I add 6 zeros after it. Now the next part of the question reads, calculate the amount of money each child will inherit if the estate is divided between the children only. So if I look at my original question, it says that he will either divide equally among his 10 children. So if I'm just dividing this between the 10 children only, it's going to be 15 million divided by 10, which would give me 1,500,000. The next step says calculate the amount of money each child will inherit if the estate is divided between the children and stepchildren. So if I look back at the original question, it says that there are 10 children and 5 stepchildren. So if I'm dividing between the 10 children and 5 stepchildren, so that means I'm going to take that 15 million and divide it by 15 individuals, which will give me $1 million. Now the last step we have here says that you're going to subtract the amount from step 2 minus the amount from step 3. So if I were to do this from step 2, each child would inherit 1,500,000 minus the amount from step 3, which is 1 million. And if I did this calculation with my calculator, I would get $500,000, which is my final answer.